1. Which river forms the largest delta in the world? A. Amazon. B. Ganga Brahmaputra. C. Mekong. D. Nile. Which river forms largest in the world? Answer. B. Ganga Brahmaputra. 2. What is the SI unit of luminous intensity? A. Candela. B. Lumen. C. Lux. D. Watt. Answer. A. Candela. 3. What is the total number of schedules in the Indian Constitution? A. 10. B. 12. C. 11. D. 8. Answer. B. 12. 4. Which Indian city is called the City of Destiny? A. Vishakhapatnam. B. Mumbai. C. Chennai. D. Hyderabad. Answer. A. Vishakhapatnam. 5. The concept of judicial review in India is borrowed from which country? A. USA. B. UK. C. Canada. D. Ireland. Answer. A. USA. 6. Who discovered the neutron? A. J. J. Thomson. B. Ernest Rutherford. C. James Chadwick. D. Niels Bohr. Answer. C. James Chadwick. 7. What is the primary function of a catalyst in a chemical reaction? A. Increase reactant consumption. B. Alter reaction rate. C. Change the products. D. Generate heat. Answer. B. Alter reaction rate. 8. What does the term Cold War refer to? A. Economic rivalry. B. Ideological conflict between the USA and USSR. C. Nuclear warfare. D. Global trade competition. Answer. B. Ideological conflict between the USA and USSR. 9. What is the minimum age required to become the President of India? A. 25 years. B. 30 years. C. 35 years. D. 40 years. Answer. C. 35 years. 10. Who wrote the book The Wealth of Nations? A. Adam Smith. B. Karl Marx. C. David Ricardo. D. John Maynard Keynes. Answer. A. Adam Smith. 11. Which article in the Indian Constitution deals with the amendment procedure? A. Article 356. B. Article 368. C. Article 370. D. Article 352. Answer. B. Article 368. 12. What is the chemical name of baking soda? A. Sodium chloride. B. Sodium bicarbonate. C. Sodium carbonate. D. Calcium bicarbonate. Answer. B. Sodium bicarbonate. 13. In which year was the Reserve Bank of India nationalized? A. 1947. B. 1948. C. 1949. D. 1950. Answer. C. 1949. 14. Which planet has the shortest day? A. Earth. B. Jupiter. C. Mars. D. Mercury. Answer. B. Jupiter. 15. Who is considered the founder of modern Indian painting? A. Raja Ravi Verma. B. Abanindranath Tagore. C. Jamini Roy. D. Amrita Shergill. Answer. A. Raja Ravi Verma. 16. What is the scientific name of the national tree of India, Banyan? A. Ficus religiosa. B. Ficus bengalensis. C. Mangifera indica. D. Azadirachta indica. Answer. B. Ficus bengalensis. 17. Who introduced the Rayatwari system in India? A. Lord Dalhousie. B. Lord Cornwallis. C. Thomas Munro. D. Warren Hastings. Answer. C. Thomas Munro. 18. What is the maximum number of members in the Rajya Sabha? A. 238. B. 250, C. 260, D. 245. Answer B. 250. 19. Which Mughal emperor banned music and dance from his court? A. Akbar, B. Aurangzeb, C. Jahangir, D. Shah Jahan. Answer B. Aurangzeb. 20. Which river forms the Jog Falls in Karnataka? A. Godavari, B. Kaveri, C. Sharavati, D. Krishna. Answer C. Sharavati. 21. Who coined the term geography? A. Aristotle, B. Eratosthenes, C. Ptolemy, D. Strabo. Answer B. Eratosthenes. 22. What is the meaning of the term bleeding Kansas? A. A river in the USA. B. A civil war conflict. C. A Native American festival. D. A famous novel. Answer B. A civil war conflict. 23. The book, We the People, was written by which author? A. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Nani Palkhiwala, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Answer B. Nani Palkhiwala. 24. In which year was the non-cooperation movement launched? A. 1919, B. 1920, C. 1921, D. 1922. Answer B. 1920. 25. What is the chemical symbol for tungsten? A. W, B. T, C, Tu, D. Tn. Answer A. W. In which state Gobind Sagar Lake is located?